First, I wanted to start with a little bit of stuff that's been in the news about blockchain, and I think this is pretty significant that Hitachi is bringing a solutions partner, Consensus, to bring enterprise Ethereum to the Japanese market. And this is something that, this is a difficult thing to do because there are some use cases for blockchain, but also at the same time, businesses are using existing systems, and a blockchain in the enterprise market quite often is a tear out and replace, not an add-on or an improvement. It's a replace to get some additional features. That doesn't mean that there aren't some applications for which it makes tremendous sense. And I will send along the link to this. It's an interesting article, and it focuses pretty well on what the actual kinds of things are that you can make sense out of a blockchain in an enterprise setting. Certain enterprise entities, especially government entities, have a lot more applications for this. I think I've mentioned that Colorado has 19 ongoing projects, one which is up and running, and another one which comes live, I believe, here in a couple weeks, although the world situation has shuffled things a little bit. It may not be in a couple weeks now.